Welcome to the Oin Country Homes by Amara Realty. This extraordinary estate is more than just a residence, it is a lifestyle, a sanctuary where nature and opulence seamlessly coalesce.
As you enter through our grand gate, you'll be enveloped in a sense of serenity. Nestled across meticulously landscaped grounds, each home sitting on approximately a quarter acre, the Oint Country Homes offers panoramic views that evolve with the seasons, providing a serene backdrop for your daily life.
Step into the foyer, an embodiment of timeless elegance and sophistication. It is a prelude to the exquisite interiors beyond, where classical elements blend seamlessly with modern sensibilities.
Explore the living spaces, a blend of classic architecture and modern design that transforms each residence into a masterpiece. Sun-drenched rooms and expansive windows create a seamless connection with nature, embracing transitional style designs that stand the test of time.
Now, let's delve into the heart of the home, the kitchen. Amara Realty elevates culinary excellence with not one but two state-of-the-art kitchens in the Oint Country Homes.
The main kitchen, equipped with top-tier appliances, boasts statement countertops, unique backsplashes, and a breakfast kitchen island. And for intensive cooking, the wet kitchen with sleek surfaces ensure the main kitchen stays pristine during culinary adventures.
The dining area, a seamless extension of the kitchen, provides ample space for carefully laid out dining tables surrounded by panoramic views of the estate.
Conveniently situated on the main floor, the laundry room is adorned with neutral tones featuring custom cabinetry and a built-in sink for hand-washing delicate garments. The master bedroom, located on the main floor, boasts a spacious layout, a cozy reading nook, and a luxurious walk-in closet expertly designed to accommodate extensive wardrobes.
Step into the master bathroom, a spa-like sanctuary featuring premium fixtures, a deep soaking tub, spacious walk-in showers, his and hers tabourets, and vanity sink.
Each of the four bedrooms is a unique retreat complete with natural lighting, bespoke furnishings, and walk-in closets. Ascend the stunning spiral staircase to the second floor.
Nestled on the second floor is a self-contained bedroom, a sanctuary of seclusion that leads to the Passy de Resistance, the rooftop lounging area, a haven above the world with panoramic views.
The Oint Country Homes offers more than just a residence. It provides a lifestyle where luxury, nature, and tranquility converge.
Come, make your haven at the Oint Country Homes by Amara Realty. Your symphony of luxury awaits.
Amara Realty, for your peace of mind.